Hey, editors, welcome back. As you know, we have already covered this AE like text glow effect. This fictic edits is AE inspired text effect, and this AE inspired fractal rays text effect in the previous part of this video. So now we will continue our learning of more AE like text effects from here. We already learned 3 text effects, including text glow in previous part. Today you will learn 4 new and amazing After Effects inspired text effects and After Motion ZID. This is the preview of today's first AE inspired 3D like text.
Make them dead, there's no luck in it.
Follow me. To get these overlays, join my Telegram channel and Discord server and download from their link in bio.
Got this, I'm on it. Give me 5 years and I got what I wanted. I'ma go ahead and finish all that I started. I'ma go ahead and get it all uncharted. I can make this place go off like a rocket. I can give a fuck if you hate it or you love it. I don't do this shit cause I think that you want it. I just do this shit cause I know that I want it. I could give a fuck if I die today. If I'ma go out, it's my fucking way. At least I'll go out with some pride to my name. With the fight not a play, that's my fucking way, home. Y'all can sit back and think you heard the best of me. I can guarantee that you haven't seen the rest of me. I can guarantee that this shit's gonna be my destiny. And I will never sleep till I make it, then I'll rest in peace. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. With the best, you fucking with the facts. Yeah. I don't even know what else to say. I'll let that 808 right out though.
Raise is optional. If you want, you can skip it. Now next is AE inspired
Bravo
magic
6.
flux text effect.
Going dark.
Watch the preview.
Going dark.
Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. I got so many bars, call it kamikaze. Ain't nobody ever gonna ever stop me. And I know that I could be a little cocky. That's the byproduct of hard work, no it's not free. I'm at a top speed, I think you lost me. Do not cross me, I keep dropping all these hits and I know that they watching. They keep showing up in my place, always knocking. Knock, knock, bitch, I've been standing right here. Been over 3 years and then you just got here. Man, get me a beer and open up the mirrors. Let me show you now what you've been missing for years. Call it premiere, I could take a boy's name and smear, or take it up a gear and end your career and make you feel on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. And when I rap, yeah, man, I snap fast. Like your girl's back, hit a clap, clap, break it in, smack. Shotty like a quick snack, like it when I'm all up in there. I'm finna win it like I win stacks. Every single that I'm in, man, it's been fat. These haters all get whacked when I spit max. These haters all get bit in the pit fast. You better get cracked, so you better move back. Y'all don't wanna play with
Next
the pro, not
is
today.
AE-inspired quadra-gradient text. Watch the preview. You can change the color of this text as per your desire.
When I'm on fucking stage, you ain't never gonna get me to be tame. I go insane, you can't detain this beat, yo, when I came to stay, cause girl, I came to play. Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy you gon'
Finally, last but not the least, one of the best and very demanding text effect. Electricity text inspired by After Effects.
Let's kill him properly this time. Let's kill him properly this time.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no.
Now learn how to make that electricity around how outside of the text. I forgot, but you must slide this electric edges effect up the last glow effect.
This journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action, working, writing down these words.
No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Pay attention. It's very important to keep this electric edges effect before the last glow effect, like I did. It's done. You can message me directly on my Telegram or Instagram if you have any problem, or if you want to suggest me any topics for next tutorial. Join my Telegram group and follow me on Instagram, link in bio. Also comment down the topic for next tutorial. Complete the like aims soon. Check out pinned comment and reply your opinion. Bye editors, take care, thanks for watching.